We have some tragic breaking news that's coming in from Punjab. A speeding car has killed two in Jalandhar. Two footpath dwellers have been killed. Two have been injured. The accused has also been arrested from the site of the accident. In fact, you can see the visuals of the aftermath on your screens at this point. But we'll cross over to my colleague Amandeep for more on this. Amandeep, when it comes to what's the action that's been taken, tragically, two have died, two have been injured, but the accused has been arrested. Tell us more about what's taking place when it comes to the action that's going to be taken by the administration when it comes to continuing to keep the accused in custody.
The police have registered the FIR against the driver of the Bolero, which was involved in the accident. And in fact, the Shubham driver has been identified as Shubham, native of Haryana itself, and he has been taken into the custody just because this accident has taken place last night when the four people were having the dinner at the footpath, and they were the labor class, and even the overspeeding car has just ran over these sitting people, and even resulting two killed and two injured. And in fact, after killing the footpathers, the car was also rammed into the other vehicles. That is the reason the car and the drivers were arrested on the spot after intervention of the locals as well. So now the police is taking the action. The police have registered the FIR. Arrest has been done, and even further investigation is still on. Either he was in a drunk position or he was normally driving his car on a very on overspeeding. So this is the part of investigation. But yes, so far the police is swung into the action, and in fact the families of the deceased has also been informed regarding the accident, and injuries has been taken to the hospital and medical treatment is being provided. But we are given to understand that they are in quite serious condition, and doctors keep on updating the police for the further action as well, and police is just waiting to record the statements of the victim who are still hospitalized. Yes.